Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this drawing session. Today we are going to create a realistic apple using Procreate. I will walk you through my digital art technique step by step. So grab your stylus and let's get started. We will begin by sketching the basic shape of the apple. Start by drawing a rough oval to form the body of the apple. Then add slight indentation at the top and bottom to give it a natural, organic feel. Don't worry about perfect lines, this is just a base sketch. Now let's create a clean outline. Lower the opacity of your sketch layer, then add a new layer on the top of your final line work. Use a medium brush and carefully trace the shape, refining the edges to look more realistic. Next, it's time to add color. Create a new layer beneath your outline. Choose a deep red color for the base and use a soft brush to fill in the entire apple. Keep your strokes even and make sure you stay inside the lines. To make the apple look three-dimensional, we need to add shading. Pick a darker red and gentle shade on one side of the apple, imagining where the light source is coming from. Then take a lighter red or orange and highlight the opposite side. Blend the colors together for a smooth transition. Now let's add texture. Select a textured brush and apply subtle pattern to the apple's surface to mimic its natural skin. Use varying pressure to create lighter and darker areas for more lifelike appearance. Don't forget the stem on a new layer. Use a dark brown color to draw a thin curved stem at the top of the apple. Finally, let's add a subtle reflection to make the apple really pop. And we are done. You have just created a realistic apple. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to share your artwork and subscribe for more digital art tutorial. See you next time.